Jose!
Hello.
So close. I have been insulted.
This taco has a face.
And that's why I love you so much. Because we love her. I made donuts.
Donut.
It was awful.
It's not lying.
What?
What just happened?
It wasn't very good. It's so bright. It bright me. Go that way.
Tama lost the game badly.
What just happened? I know, that's why I wasn't standing over there anymore. There were hands.
We got him.
I got him, you guys!
We got a flat. We were driving home from visiting with Bronson and Claudia in jail, and we got a flat tire, and so we called our hero, pretty much. Wow, it looks really green.
You're an idiot!
Should we just leave it on the side of the road? Just roll it. Look out! It was literally just pouring rain a few minutes ago.
Yeah, it was.
Are you glad it's not raining?
Oh, we made better footage. Changed a lot of spares in my day.
How many actually?
Me?
Yeah.
I lost count. 6. I can't count past 6. Can't get it down.
Are we stuck here forever?
Yeah.
You're turning it the wrong way?
Shut up.
Good job.
All right, so now, there better not be any music playing over this.
Circus, Afro, circus, Afro, circus, Afro, polka dot, Afro.
I'll put like heroic 2 Steps from Hell
There you
music
go.
or something. Thank you. You're awesome. Nice red beard.
See ya.
When life is just really normal, you have to vlog about the extraordinary things that happen. Barb, you want to be here while I tell this story? It was like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. I lost my earbud, and let me show you these. These are like, are they $30 or $40?
500.
$500.
They're like $40 little earbud things. And I use them at work, and I put one in my ear and one in my pocket usually, and I walk around. They're the best. Not sponsored. So one day, I put both in my pocket, I thought, forgot about them. One of them went flying when I was getting changed, and I was like, where's the other one? And I was so sad, and I was like, I don't want to spend $40 getting another pair. And then I was using these lame things for the longest time. So just now, I found it rolled up in the bottom of my capris. How does that happen?
It's the small things in life that makes me so happy.
Makes me so happy. These are the best things ever. And Barbie.
Wash them and dry them.
Yeah. Washed and dried, good as new. It still works. Mom just got home. She's been gone for like
3 weeks.
pretty much. Mom! Hello.
Hi.
The waiter.
You thought it was over.
Guys, the things that I go through for this vlog. I've been spending a really long time trying to find this quote and I still can't find it. I haven't seen this movie in like a millennia. When will this nightmare end?
When will this nightmare end?
I officially quit. It's not worth it.